here getting ready to plant this garlic. As you can see, I've already amended it with the biotone. I got the blood meal, and I got some earthworm castings. I already did the holes, and I already put all that biotone in there to give it something to feed on while it is growing. And here are my garlic. These are just garlics that I got out of the store, so this is going to be my test bed. So I'm just going to take this garlic, and if you have never grown garlic before, you would put it in here point side up. So we're just going to stick these in here point side up. I'll plant a few, and then I'll come back once I get them all in here, all planted and ready to go. So excited because I use a lot of garlic. So the girl gonna be out here planting a lot of garlic. So let me finish planting all this garlic because I got this bed to do, this bed over here to do, and I have this one to do, and this one. So let me finish planting them, and I'll be right back. Guys, all the garlic is in. Now I gotta do is just cover them up and say good night and see you in the springtime. Woohoo! So if your dirt is still pliable to where you can still put your hole, make holes in the soil, then you still have time to plant your garlic. So I have all these beds right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 planted with garlic. So we're gonna see how they do. If I get some garlic in each one of these beds, that's just another win-win situation for me. So let's go. We got one more bed to plant. This is my last planter. I've never planted in the cement planter before, so this is going to be an experiment of growing garlic in one of these planters. So just going to cover this up, and then I'm going to put some netting over it because I know Rocky is around watching me and wondering, what's she putting in there? I got to go see. So I'm going to give this planter the best chance it has. But garlic is in, you guys. Like I said, if you still have soil that you can stick your hand in and make a hole, you can still plant garlic. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have got your garlic in. If you don't, it's never too late. Like I said, as long as you can put your hole, make a hole in your dirt, you can plant some garlic. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And happy gardening. All right, guys. Whew, my garlic is done for the year, for 2023. Woohoo! Now I need my garlic to just grow, grow, and grow. Yes, because Miss Renee got some plans for some cooking in the kitchen with this garlic. All right, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.